might knock it down. Ready? Start it off. Ready? Oh my god! No,
you're gonna fall down. This is serious.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things. Whoa, that dog looks like a human.
Whoa, it's a freaking Palmer giant thing out of it.
Ready, ready?
Wow, my feet aren't that flexible yet. Oh, I see the light with the car and the thing now.
Oh shit.
Shake that ass, but move it like a
Gypsy, stop, won't back it up and let me see your hips swing.
Drop it down, let me swing to the floor, let me see your hips out. Swing!
Rape!
Okay, go back.
My feet are like, go.
Ow, I just hit my elbow off.
Okay, ready? Wait, jump backwards. Ready?
Off?
Yeah. Okay. No, not like that, fucking retard.
What do you mean?
Like, go like. No, like that. Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, one person at a time now.
Let me grab the camera.
That thing can record for like 10 hours. It's all good.
Okay, we can just cut it. Wait, hold on, let's stop right now and make a new one. Hold on.
Let's talk about all the good things.